Hello there, how are you doing? I hope you're well. You might recall one of my car camping videos where I talked about these curtains, these Zatooto car camping curtains to go on your windows to act as a block. And they do a really good job. Stop people seeing in and create a good barrier, and I really like them. And so since I've recently swapped over from a car to a van, I've moved these curtains over and they work just as well on here too, which is great. So what I wanted was, I'm just twiddling here, what I wanted was a curtain to go across here because I've taken the bulkhead out of the van, and I got one, and guess who it's by? Zatooto! So let's have a look at this and see what we get in it. So it comes in this nice little Ziploc bag with some installation instructions. You get 2 sets of hooks with it, and I guess that's for where you're actually going to attach it inside your vehicle. And then of course you get the curtains. Those carabiners, I've just thrown them in case I need them. But then you get these nice kind of like velvety, and there's 2 of them, and they attach in the middle with some magnets. There you go, look. So you can pull them apart and then seal them up when you want to. So let's get them fitted in. Okay, what I hadn't noticed was the curtain actually comes with hooks already threaded onto the cord. And what I've been doing is I've been sliding the hooks down the cord to get to roughly the spot where I'm going to hang these, and then one of those spare ones that'll go up there, and the center of the curtain will hang on there. That's the plan. Right, let me get this installed. There we go, and that's it. So if you want to open the curtain, you can just pull this back. There are a couple of little ties here. There's a tie on each curtain, so you can tie this back, or you can just let them drop and the magnets will just pull them together. Nice. I like that. It'll just stop people being able to see in from the outside. With the car curtains on, I'll just shove them over the seat, and it'll just create a little bit of privacy when I'm in the back of the car. All right, you know what to do if you like what I'm doing so far with this van stuff and everything else. Like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. You take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments. Cheerio.